Hi, I'm here again. We are now on our second lesson for our Unit 1, which is the academic text across the disciplines. Okay, before we move on with our topic and proceed, we will first discuss what are the academic discipline or disciplines. Okay, what is an academic discipline? It is a field of study or is a branch of knowledge that is taught and researched as a part of a higher education. Okay, no? Academic disciplines are specific branches of fields of study. Okay, now different academic disciplines tend to recommend collecting different types of evidence from research sources. Okay, for example, uh, biologists are typically required to do laboratory research. Art historians often use details from a mix of primary or secondary sources or works of art. And social scientists, they gather data from our research study reports and interviews, field work, and um, political scientists, they gather demographic data or government survey in order for them to share the information on their specific field. Okay, now we have four disciplines and their branches. Nanadiya sa ato ang slides, which is the business, humanities, natural and applied sciences, and the social sciences. These are the four uh, major academic disciplines. Okay, now let's discuss each one and let's find out what discipline kaya ang inyuhang ma-focus on yourselves. Okay, now let's go with the academic text in humanities academic discipline. Okay, academic disciplines that you study human condition. Humanities include ancient and modern languages, literature, history, philosophy, religion, visual and performing arts. Okay, the modes of inquiry in the humanities methods are primary analytical, critical, or speculative. It deals with questions for which there are no definitive answers. Okay, for example, what is justice? The nature of friendship, the essence of God, the properties of truth. Okay, no? So in academic writing in the humanities, it explores questions that deals with human values. Okay, the ultimate goal in writing in the humanities is to explain or understand human experience. Okay, it is to use writing as a tool to reflect upon life. Okay, the humanities as a discipline, it includes not only literature but also philosophy, ethics, performing arts, fine arts, history, and aspects of anthropology, cultural studies, foreign languages, ganon, ang humanities. Okay, now, every discipline has a preferred style, has a preferred writing style. In the paragraph of humanities, the paragraphs are longer, the sentences are longer and more eloquent or more complex. The parallel structure is used to navigate long, complex thoughts. Imagery and metaphors are abundant. Active, not passive. Voice is most often employed. Language and the way it is used in a paper is nearly as important as the paper's content. So please remember that humanities is also called the liberal arts. Okay, so it includes philosophy, religion, art, music, literature, and language. Now, these fields of study are a broad way of studying and understanding how people express ideas, information, and feelings. Okay, the experience of what makes us human. Okay, that's the focus of humanities. Okay. Next, let's move on to academic text or academic writing in social sciences. Okay, what are the social sciences? Social academic discipline that study human behavior and the influence of culture and society on human beings. Social sciences include anthropology, informational science, sociology, law, public administration, criminology, education, geography, international studies, political science, and psychology. So, in the sciences discipline, we conform with the academic structure IMRAD, okay, which consists of introduction, methods or materials, results, and discussion. Okay, now the modes of inquiry in the social sciences, it includes the quantitative methods, qualitative methods, mixed methods that aims for objectivity. Okay, now these methods are uh, particularly common that is used on research papers in strategizing on how to collect their data or information that they will gather uh, on solving the problem of their research. Okay, when we say quantitative method of the social sciences, it relies on collecting, analyzing numerical data, and the qualitative method relies on language, observation, and reporting of individual human experiences, and it is uh, interviews and actual observations of people is included as a strategy in gathering information in qualitative method, while mixed method is the mix quantitative and qualitative method, which means it the paper will have numerical results, numerical data, and it will also produce interviews and observations, actual observations. Okay. Every discipline has a preferred writing style. Social sciences prefers accurate and current information, or it has facts, heavy use of facts and data, use of tables, charts, and graphs, use of sections and subheadings, use of IMRADs, past tense, passive voice, APA formats, and documentation. Okay, academic text in natural and applied sciences. It is under the sciences na discipline. Academic disciplines that study structure, behavior of the physical and natural world. The sciences include natural sciences, space sciences, earth sciences, life sciences, chemistry, physics, formal sciences, computer sciences, logic, mathematics, statistics, and system science. Okay, every discipline has a preferred writing style. This science discipline prefers uh, writing with an almost mathematical precision, no adjectives and adverbs, write for clarity and conciseness, write with a consistent voice or in collaborative writing, and present tense for most writing, past tense for past research. So, in natural and applied sciences, this will be used in experimentation, no? In in applied sciences, research papers report new discoveries in applying evidence to answer questions and identify patterns. Now, writing in this discipline often takes the form of case studies and lab reports. Now, the other scientific writing must be precise in order to provide results that can be tested and reproduced. Okay? Okay, nakalimutan kong ilagay sa aking PowerPoint presentation. But we also have writing in business discipline. When we say writing in business discipline, the world of business writing is expanded to include electronic mails, PR communications or public relations communications, social media, and many more. Now, wait lang ha. Now, some of the genres that you will encounter in the business field includes resumes, cover letters or application letters, proposals, instructions, business and sales letters, business plans, case analysis, professional biographies, and performance reviews. Okay, the audiences and purposes will vary in which type of writing and even the genres themselves. Now, take a look. Take a look at our examples and analyze the examples in business humanities, natural applied sciences, and the social sciences questions, no? And their focus on or the central idea of their question. Kana. Please read and take a pause and analyze our example for you to know the focuses and the central ideas of our different academic disciplines. Okay, I think this will be the end of our Unit 1, Lesson 2. We will move on our Unit 1, Lesson 3. Goodbye!